Hey guys, all right, so here we have my three fabrics. It is the dark teal floral, the pink floral, and then the pale pink with the gold dots. And I just watched a video on YouTube by Melly Sews, and so I am following her tutorial to make my beanie hats. And what I've decided to do, because my fabric is not as long as the fabric that she had for her project, so I'm actually going to do reversibles. So the first hat that I am going to do will have the two floral prints together, and then the second hat that I am going to do is going to have the two pinks together. And with the extra fabric, because I will have enough fabric, I probably will actually do one with the pink and the blue, because I will have enough to do one in every combination. Plus I could probably make some headbands for my daughter as well with the extra fabric that we have. And again, I purchased 3/8 of a yard of all of these fabrics. All right, so what we're going to do is I am going to start with the two florals and go from there. Alrighty, so now that we have the curve to our cap sewn, we're going to go ahead and line up our sides. Now I did notice the first time I was pinning this that my fabrics are not the same length, even though I requested the exact same amount of fabric. So right now I am aligning my seams. So my blue fabric is actually slightly longer than the pink, which in the grand scheme of things, I don't mind, because that means you'll see a little bit of blue on the pink side. So you're lining up the seam. Now I tried to follow little Miss Melly's tutorial, and she says she uses a zigzag stitch, and I have to tell you guys, I use a zigzag stitch to sew my two fabrics together, but I really don't like the way it looks. So she did not show which stitch she used. She just verbally said she used a zigzag stitch, so I was going off of what she said. If I were to do it again, which I am on the other fabrics, I would probably flatten out that zigzag more. That's just personal preference. This is my first time making something like this, and kind of following someone else's verbal tutorial. So just my opinion, I would use a flatter zigzag. And turn, baby. And there we have it. Oh, excuse me. Just so you guys can see the top. Here we go. All of our seams meet. And here it is on the pink. Right there. Right there. Looks great. So the next thing we have to do is sew our opening closed. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I will try to stay in the shot. All right, guys, so here we go. Not bad. So the video, the tutorial that I watched to figure out how to make these said that you can make them in 10 minutes. Well, I'm telling y'all, I was rushing, so I might have did it in maybe 9 minutes and 30 seconds waiting for the school bus to come. But I have to tell you, I really do like it. And I love the fact that I did them reversible. Now, the first one I made a little bit big, but it fits my daughter perfectly because she has locks, guys. But I'm telling you, such an easy pattern. You guys are gonna love it. Here comes the bus. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.